we're given the prime factorization of some number n factorial. For example, if we took 4 factorial, then it would be 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. Sometimes we say 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And then we could split it. So we could forget about the 1. 2 times 3 times 2 squared, or 2 cubed times 3. So that'd be the prime factorization of this one. We've got it for some number, and we're trying to work out the exponent of 17, because lots of the exponents are missing. And note we are given the exponent of 13, so that's going to be useful. And another useful thing is 47. So we know that n is necessarily going to be greater or equal to 47. And then any other prime number would, well, that's the largest prime number that's there. That's what I'm trying to say. So 48, 49, 50, they're not prime. 51, okay, so 53. So actually, sorry, it's going to be less than 53 necessarily, or I suppose we could say less than or equal to 52. Okay, now let's try and think about the 13. We're going to get, so just like I got 2 cubed, it came from the 2 and the 4. These powers of 13 are going to come from any multiple of 13 when we're timesing. So we're doing like 1 times 2, like none of these are going to impact until we get to 13. That's going to give us our first power of 13. And the next one is going to be when we do 26, because that will give us the second power of 13. And then 39. Right, we know there's 4 of them, so we need to definitely keep going until we get to 52. So in fact, because it's 13 to the power 4, then it must be that n is 52. We know it can't be 53. It can't be any higher than 52 because there's no 53 here. But to get the 4 13s, it must be 52. Okay, and we're nearly there now. We just need to work out how many powers of 17 we've got. So we're going to get 17 from 17, and then from 34, and then from 51, right? So we know for sure that 51's there. See, that's what we're not quite clear about at the start, whether the exponent was going to be 2 or 3. But it's necessarily going to be 3 because I'm going to get a 17 from here, a 17 from here, and a 17 from here.